What do you think that is? If I was in New York, I would 100% be like, that's blood, but... What do you think that is? Who brought gooey gooey jam jam? Do you see that? It's sticky. Huh? You think somebody had... Just a guess, just a solid guess. No bit about it. You're like, I'm going with Danish. I used to be a carpenter, and I would work at people's houses. And thanks. And yeah, so I used to eat jam out of people's fridges. I used to have I still have a bad sugar addiction, but it was really bad at the time. And I would always work for these dudes who a lot of times they would say offensive things. Like one guy goes, "I'm so glad you're a female because I don't have to worry about you fucking my wife." And I was like, "But you do have to worry about me finger banging every one of your jam jars, dude." Also, I might fuck your wife. Why do you think that? That's crazy.